Guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is Revolver Ocelot. Today I'm going to show you how to manage interests in YouTube homepage. So my friends, there are three methods to manage your interests on YouTube homepage. First one is you see this video, three dots, and you just put this option, not interested. Now my friends, the second option is another one. This same applies to the shorts ones as well. The second option is, my friends, very popular one, and that one is put three dots and hit don't recommend channel. Now my friends, these are two things that you can do, and the third thing is, please watch carefully. Go to history, and this is your watch history page, my friends. So what I'm going to do, my friends, is see watch history and just remove the video from watch history that you are not interested in, my friend. So I'll just do